What's up? We got the rear end of the truck pretty much set up. I need to get the truck bed on, put some weight on it, see and take it where the gulf is onto the concrete, and get my ride height set up to figure out if I can actually shorten these strut towers or if they stick up over the side of the bed, that kind of thing. But right now, since we got all that and it's on its own weight, as you guys can see, she's bouncing, you know, she's on her own weight now. We'll have to see how she performs, but she will not drift with an open diff, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We are going to take the diff out before I put the bed in, and I still need to do brake lines, stuff like that, but we need to take this diff out and weld her. So without further ado, let's get these axle bolts out and drop her down and see what we can do. Oh my God. Whew. Dang. Talk about tough. There she is. Just 2 bolts in the front, 1 in the back on that stud, and your 6 axle bolts. But we gotta get her set up. Alright, we got her set up to drain. See how big of a mess this is gonna make. Maybe this is a limited slip. I thought it was an open. I don't see the spider gears how you can weld it. Well, this video just took a turn. This looks like an LSD diff. As you guys seen, it's a different day. And the last clip, we took the back cover up off of the diff, and turns out it was an LSD. It threw me off. I had no idea what to do. I didn't want to buy another diff. So what I did do is I went inside, chilled out, enjoyed the rest of the day, trying to think what to do. And I found some YouTube videos that apparently you can weld the LSD, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get her set up. I got some brake cleaner, and we're going to spray it out and see if we can weld it. Oh, I didn't show all the welding, but I got her as good as I could get. Got her welded there, 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 there. Yeah, you guys get the gist. Welded all the fucking gears together as far as I could tell. It's hard to get in there with the gun. But, yeah, man, Hopefully she'll hold. We'll find out. But dip is officially welded. Now I just gotta seal it and put it back in, and then I got a special item that I was hoping to be done. Today is Friday. I think the 15th or the 16th or the 14th. 14th to the 16th, something like that. I haven't looked at the calendar. But I was hoping to have it today and install it in this video, both of them. But you'll have to wait and see. Dip is set up. I cleaned it already, sprayed the inside. Looked up how much fluid it takes. It takes about 1.5, 75/90. And for an LSD diff, GL5. So we'll put 1.5 of these in. Just like so. Went to the store, got some sealant. We let it set for about 2 hours now. It says I don't need to set an hour and then another half turn, but I let it set for 2. And we're going to torque. I looked up the torque spec. It was 32 foot-pounds at like a star pattern. The only reason I'm really going to torque them is because this stud here. This cover holds a lot of weight and torque. Diff is in. Bolts are officially tight. We're getting ready to jack her up and put it on the ground, but both wheels are spinning. But yeah, Diff is welding and she's ready to rip once I get a drive shaft in. But we still gotta test the bed, and we'll see what we get into next anyway. But like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.